funding it with you.
I vlog now. I have a YouTube and everything. I never told you, but I do.
Really?
Yeah, and I said I was going to show you today who be doing my nails. They look busted, though, right now. And she probably about to be mad because I didn't even take the nails off.
You did not?
No. I tried to, but I couldn't. She probably about to charge me extra because I didn't take none of them off.
Insane.
Why you didn't take them off?
I have to take the color off first.
No, you don't. Just pop them off.
Cannot.
You're doing too much already.
Bây giờ đó. Lên nóc nhà là lên nóc nhà. Lên nóc nhà là bắt con gà đó.
Do y'all see the shade? She's kind of decent.
Đang quay. Chuẩn bị làm giàu. Rất giàu.
I'm not gonna put who she
Dậy
is.
sớm nó con mở không nổi luôn cái gì hả? Mà đâu dậy sớm không bao nhiêu đâu.
She's talking shit, but yeah. Ooh, I'm trying to get in the sun, but I can't. There you go. Yep, that's my nails. Yep, that's my nails. Hey guys, so we're about to go to Ikea. I can't believe Chanel still has this small car. Look at her little doctor thing in the back. Anyway, we about to go to Ikea and Marshall's and TJ Maxx to get some last minute Christmas stuff in Home Depot. And it's kind of late, but it's just about to be me and my brother. I haven't vlogged in a few days. No, I haven't vlogged since Sunday. Ooh, come through lighting. Come through skin. Okay, I said I was gonna stop wearing my glasses so y'all don't get used to seeing me with my glasses, and then when I come over here without my glasses, y'all be like, ooh. But you know, if you know me in real life, you know I wear my glasses all the time. I don't even be really putting in my contacts for real, but that's okay. Because guess what? Next year I said, I'm getting laser. I don't care if they gotta cut the eyeball, take it out, put it back in. I'm definitely getting laser. But yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all guys when we get to Ikea, because my brother about to get a bed set. Like, not a bed set, a bed frame. And then we gotta go get this tea thing for my grandmother. And something for my dad. So, woo. Okay. The ghetto. We are at Ikea. Ooh, Ikea. This is probably my first time in here. I'm acting like I come here normally. I don't. Ooh, I'm gonna have to block out his tag number. He's taking forever. It's cold out here. We're about to go in here because he's about to get a bed frame. Ooh. It's cold. He's about to get a bed frame. Oh, my brother's about to get a bed frame. I can't wait to take these braids out next week. I mean, they look fine, but new growth. It's sturdy. You see how sturdy it is? If it was my hand,
stabilization. You could have used it in your hand.
I'm gonna get a smaller one. If it's copyright, then I can't vlog in here. Plus, I don't want I don't care if people stare at me, but I don't want nobody say nothing smart like, Don't get me on your camera. Like, girl, I wasn't trying to get you on my camera anyway. Ooh. Where you go to, man?
You can go around.
Oh. Yo, they got a cafe in here. This is my first time in Ikea.
You only can go one direction.
Oh. They got steps. Ooh. Hey, we gotta look around, so I'm gonna stop it. I like this one, y'all, but he don't like this one because of this gray. I'm pretty sure you could take this. No, you can't. Never mind. It's supposed to be like that. That's like if you had a one-bedroom studio. Ain't that the bed?
No, why does we're not in the bed section?
Oh. This is nice stuff. Okay, I'm back. I'm back to say that I don't like Ikea at all.
I mean, you could have somebody that got it for you.
Because I just rather have the stuff come in one box rather than go on a wild goose chase and find the stuff and look at numbers and stuff. Like, you know, when you worked all day, you don't want to do all that necessary stuff. Him, he doesn't mind. Me, I mind. I feel like I walked over a mile in here.
That's because I have patience.
Well, yeah, he has patience. But this is all the stuff, y'all. But we had to go down like 5 different aisles. I'm being extra, but we literally had to go down like 2 or 3 different aisles just to get this, find this stuff. Put it on the cart yourself. And you probably gotta even load it up in the vehicle yourself.
Yeah.
That's just too much. And now we're about to check out.
Anytime we come to
Let's just say I burnt my food off and I'll be hungry again. So. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna put this together today. Cause he's the type of person when he gets stuff, he has to put it together right then and there. So. And now we're about to check out.
I don't even care. Hey guys, how you doing?
Fine.
It's on the it's on the
I hope we got everything correctly. Well, I hope he did, because it's not my stuff.
I did. 1, 2, 3, right?
No. Yours.
Oh, I'm finna look.
It's $242.74.
Expensive as hell.
Yeah, it's $13.
Well, it's only $20 more than the other one, because if you would have got the other one without the storage,
You too, thank you.
it would have been $220 with tax. So it's only $20 more, so it makes sense to get storage.
Oh, it says this is not an exit.
Exactly.
You didn't
They
look
want
till
you to
you
pay
know.
$220. They want you to pay this price, but you gotta get the stuff yourself. It's like hard labor, and you gotta pay for it. Like what? And you work up an appetite doing this too. All the way over there. Okay, y'all, I'm probably gonna have to use my baby muscles. You're gonna have to come off this curb because this ends. Use my baby muscles to help him put this stuff in the car. Hopefully he don't break nothing up.
can ride on this.
And we're in White Marsh, so y'all can get a view.
I can ride on this.
You can. Look at him. Y'all see him? It's nothing but restaurants. Like, PF Chang's and Fridays is over there. It's a Bosco's over there. It's the mall. It's the movie theater. My old job is up here. The fuck up job. That's how I feel. All right, y'all have to try to help him to put this in the car.
I wonder if this long one is gonna fit in.
I don't want to get your
The long one gonna fit in this truck.
I don't want to get his tag number. You probably gonna have to put the seats down.
Could have put on top though, but I don't mind if they like you and people and got them from the paper.
No, because we got a long drive. So I would just suggest putting the seats down. I'm gonna turn the camera around.
Now, do you know these are in the front or the back? That's the box I got. The way the design is.
Y'all remember from earlier we was recording getting this stuff? Now we about to put it together with no instructions. Or they are.
You can pull it up online.
The instructions?
Yeah. Well, at least that's the icon.
Chanel probably like, what is going on? I wish they would have had black. We're getting somewhere. Well, they're getting somewhere. Ikea better give me something free for this too.
Goodbye.
You know, girl, bye. They better give me something free for all this hard work that I'm doing. This hard work ain't free. Difficulties. Tico, we gotta move on one accord.
What are you talking about?
He going to the next step without me looking behind.
You were with the camera.
I get some good footage. Y'all about to lose screws and stuff. Like, stop tossing the screws and stuff. Alright, y'all. So a girl was out here looking crazy. I took out my braids yesterday. A lot happened yesterday. But I took out my braids. I'm not wearing my glasses today because I plan on taking pictures. Ooh. I made myself look presentable. Like, I got some light powder on, some mascara. Did a little something to my brows, some gloss on, and I have a broken nail, which hopefully I can get fixed today. So I'm about to go to So Chic Salon. I think it's So Chic Salon. Anyway, it's a family friend. Her name is Nirvana. I'm about to do some type of different transformation with my hair. I'm gonna try to insert my inspiration for my haircut. So yes, I'm getting a haircut. Hopefully this don't fall because my plan today also is to get a it did. So I'm gonna have to like, yeah, because I have one but the phone sit this way and I need the phone to sit this way for YouTube. So that's ghetto. But anyway, let me move this. I'm hoping I can get down this hill. It's a little rough right here, y'all. So I'm gonna try to hold y'all up. It's a little rough because it snowed in Baltimore. Okay, we got so much snow. It was so nasty. I was at work. My job didn't let me leave till like 3:30. So I was in that freaking mess. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Just know it's 8:08 in the morning. I'm heading there now because my appointment's at 9. It's about 45 minutes away from me. Hopefully it won't take that long to get there. All y'all can see is my head. Like, that's ghetto. Alright, that's better. Oh my gosh, it's probably icy as shit going down this hill. Alright, I don't got no choice but to go down there because I already came this way. Sorry, y'all. You know how, like, you about to do something dangerous, you gotta be quiet. That's how I'm feeling. Anyway, because my size still haven't came yet. So I got my hand up on these, I got this hat on, and it took forever. It's like so poofy, right? It's like poofy. I took my braids out or whatever, but it's still so freaking poofy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Sorry, y'all. This is really icy right here. I shouldn't have came this way. There's so much ice. I should not have came this way. I'm probably gonna cut this out. I slid right here the other day, so I don't even know why my dumb ass came this way. Okay, anyway. Ah! Fuck it. So yeah, about to go get my hair cut and styled by Nirvana at So Chic Sweets. And then I have some last minute Christmas shopping to do. And I have to go pick up some gifts that I ordered for pickup because I ordered them yesterday, but I didn't go pick them up yesterday, so I'm gonna go pick them up today. And yeah, so when I check back in with y'all, it's gonna be at the suite. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all can see me, but I am here and I'm on time, but I'm here. Whew, how I go up these steps. I'm so hungry. I'm so upset I couldn't stop to get food. I don't even know which is which. Oh, I guess this is how you enter. Hey guys! I was like, girl, I vlog, so you on my vlog. Oh. I told them I was coming. Tell them what it's called.
Oh, so my salon, my studio is called So Chic Studio. We're in Salon Loft. This is the whole Salon Loft building. But this is my suite right here.
Oh God, this is so fancy. Let me send my stuff for you. And you got a ring light. I'm so hungry. Okay, y'all, I'll be back once she gets started. Just straighten, wash, and blow dry. Tell them what you did, Mama. Tell them what you did.
Oh yes, so we did a oh my gosh, we did a hydration steam treatment on her with an intense conditioner mask. And then we also went in and I just blow dried her, and now I just finished silk pressing her hair. So we're gonna go in and do a nice blunt cut on her hair.
Okay. So I'll come back, y'all, with the finished results because I gotta keep y'all like. Do y'all like? You on camera, so don't be nervous. I'm like a natural in front of the camera. Like, I was talking to them like I'm talking to my friends. So.
inspiration next too as well for the cut.